Start off with chaining 10 total chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the half double crochet, add 1 extra chain. 11 total chains. Yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain. 1, 2. Yarn over, pull through the chain. You should have 3 total loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, put your hook into the second chain, this right here. Yarn over, pull through that chain. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. That's your second half double crochet. Again, yarn over, go through the next chain, yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. That's your third half double crochet. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and go through all 3 loops. So you've made 4 half double crochets, but don't forget you also have this extra chain at the end here. Yarn over, go through the next chain on your foundation chain, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, go through the loop, yarn over, now pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, go through the next chain, yarn over and pull through that chain, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Continue on till you get to the end of your foundation chain. At the end, we're at our last stitch here. So yarn over, go through the last chain, pull through, and now yarn over all 3. As I mentioned earlier, to turn my work, I prefer to do a chain 1. So turn your work. So now the tail end should be facing your hand with a crochet hook. Chain 1, yarn over and go through the first stitch in your project. Get into this next stitch easily. Yarn over and go through all 3.
Half double crochet in 2 rows. Stitch comparison. Slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet and treble crochet stitches. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions.